Finally got, these ones have a really cool. Alright guys, so I have a busy day today. I'm on the way to a Celine pop-up appointment. Celine is actually having a pop-up shop here this weekend. Unfortunately, Celine does not actually have a physical store in my city, so they're doing a pop-up at New Market. So I have an appointment with my SA. Looking forward to that. If I can film a little bit of the items in the store, I will. I don't know. I mean, it's kind of weird pulling up your camera and having in someone's face when it's more of like a private kind of luxury event, but we'll see if I can get a couple of shots. But I'm also gonna pick up my new Chanel bag. I got a mini classic flap, black with gold hardware. I'm so excited for that one. I've been trying to get that bag for the longest time, and I finally got it. So I will show you guys when I come back. And I also am planning on going to HomeGoods. There's some cute jars that I wanna go and pick up and organize my home decor, or when I organize my pantry. So we'll see when I come back, and I'll show you guys. All right guys, I just got back from running my errands. Let me go ahead and show you what I got. So I did find those jars that I mentioned earlier from HomeGoods, and these are a great dupe for the Zara Home jars. Those jars are anywhere between $29 to about $60. They have it in different sizes, from small, medium to large, but those jars are super expensive, and I just couldn't bring myself to spend that much money on just jars to store your dry foods. So I found these at HomeGoods, super cute. I love the wood top with the top handle, and this is one of the reasons why I really like the ones from Zara, because the ones from Zara also had a wood dark top with a top handle, but I just couldn't bring myself to spend that kind of money. So when I saw these dupes at HomeGoods, this was priced at $4.99. So in comparison to you spending $5 versus $30, it was just a no-brainer. I had to just go ahead and jump and buy this. So I bought 3 of these. I'm probably gonna try to go to another location next week to see if they have the bigger versions, because they come in different sizes, between this size, smaller size, and even a bigger size. So if I can find some more, that way I can use more of these jars to help store more of my dry foods. So I'm super excited about this one. Check out your local HomeGoods, see if you guys can get some of these yourself. All right. Next one is the Chanel. I finally got one of my dream bags. And it is, of course, the Chanel mini flap bag, gold hardware. And it's so crazy because I have the medium version as well, but I really only wear the medium one for special occasions. I just don't really, it's like, I could probably wear it more casually, but I just don't really care to wear that bag casually. Like, to me, this is a perfect bag to wear casually. I can easily just crossbody this, put my necessities in it, and just run my errands. And with the medium plastic flap, you can do the same thing, but for me, it's a bit more on the dressier side. It's not as easy to crossbody. I'm kind of tall, I'm 5'8", so it's just, it doesn't hit the same way the way this one does. And I like, this one can be kind of worn as a shoulder bag, a crossbody bag, a top handle bag, and go from evening wear to basically like the weekend casual wear bag. So that's why I got it. So you can see up close, you can see the gold hardware, the quilting, the side profile, the Mona Lisa flap in the back, the bottom of the bag, and then of course the inside. Let's see the inside. Let's hope I can get it on camera. But the inside, as you can see, there's a zipper. I don't know if you guys can see. There's a zipper and like a little flap right here. So you don't really need a wallet or even a card holder. You can just put your cards literally in the flap of the bag. And then here's the tag in case you guys want to take a screenshot. It's from the 24S collection. Flat bag 94305. I'll list some mod shots of me trying it on so you guys can have an idea of what it looks like on the body. But super excited, looking forward to wearing this all summer long. So that's it for today's video. I do know that Chanel is coming out with another collection the next week or two, the 24A collection. I do have some pieces that I have my eye on as part of that collection. So if I happen to get anything, I'll make sure to unbox it and show you guys any of the pieces that I get. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye. All right, guys, I am off to go to HomeGoods. I gotta get my nephew a birthday gift, and I also want to pick up some more of those jars to organize my pantry. So cute little outfit of the day, running errands in this hot weather. Was this a Pink Floyd shirt? Yeah, Pink Floyd graphic t-shirt, Chanel bag, purple workout pants, Air Max 90s, Saint Laurent shades, Apple Watch, Zara earrings. And I'll check back in with you guys in a minute. All right, guys, I'm back from HomeGoods. I told you guys earlier that I was gonna go to HomeGoods the next day, pick up some more jars, and they had some good ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some of the jars I picked up at HomeGoods. This size was $7. So we got that one. We got this one, same size, same price. Another one. I got this one really good. This one was $5.99. So as you can see, it's pretty close in size, but this one's just a little bit shorter. And it's like $1 off in price. This one's $5.99. This one is $6.99. I bought so many of these jars. I just went to HomeGoods and I just bought every single one that they had. So I knew if I waited any longer, they'll be gone. Same size, $5.99. Same size, $5.99. And then the very last two I purchased. Was another tall one for $6.99. Including this one, I bought, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I bought 7 jars. And I also got me some cute little snacks, some Adami snacks and some Adami beans. Trying to hit the gym this summer, try to get lean and build some muscle and tone up. This will be a nice healthy snack. Hopefully it tastes good. We'll see. Sometimes these like little healthy vegan vegetarian snacks are not the best tasting, but this should be good. I've had Adami before and I like it. Oh, this was $3.99 and this one was $5.99. Yeah, that's it. So now I'm gonna actually put the food in these jars. Let me go ahead and show you guys a close-up of how many jars that I actually did buy from HomeGoods. So you see how I was not playing no games when I said I was gonna buy all the jars I could find. You see right there? Playing no games. My pantry's gonna look amazing. All right, so let's go to the pantry and I'll go ahead and show you how I put the food in and store it in my pantry. All right, now it's time to clean and sanitize these jars before we go ahead and put the dry food and put it in our pantry. Take it off before you plug it. Try 6 more to go.
Some space. You're too far away. Make no mistake. I think you should stay. You'll get every little bit. You ain't never seen a drip like this. Heaven at your fingertips. Don't you let a minute slip. Just say you have me. Oh, taste and see. Hope you don't sleep on me. I got good plenty.
I've been all the spaces in between. It's magic when I taste it in the bin. Average day I spent all in the streets. Felt it when I tell you what you mean. Chemistry, intimate memories. Every time I give you all my energy. Emphasis, never sleep.
Say you have me. Oh, taste and see. Hope you don't sleep.
Alright guys, I forgot to actually show you what I got from Celine. Remember earlier in the video I mentioned that I went to a Celine pop-up here in my local city. And I got some really cute sweatpants. Yeah, I know, you bought Celine sweatpants? Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did. They were super cute, and so I had to buy them. And I'm a sweatpants girl. I lounge around in my house all the time in sweatpants. These ones have a really cool Celine logo on the front. Very comfortable, super stretchy, very thick material. I can wear this year round in the spring, summer, and fall. As I mentioned earlier, I like to lounge out in sweatpants in my house. And of course in the wintertime, I can easily wear this with a really cute outfit, pair it with some Nike Air Jordan 1s. I can maybe try to elevate it a little bit more with a blazer or a leather jacket, nice blouse, have like a cute little edgy, casual, chic look. So that's all I got from the Celine pop-up store. I did see some really cute butterfly, or not butterfly, bell-bottom light denim jeans that I probably will eventually go out and get them, but not right now. That ends the video. That's all I was able to get this week. I did a lot this week. I went to HomeGoods, I went to Target, I went to Neiman Marcus, and I picked up my Chanel classic flat bag, mini classic flat bag, and I went to HomeGoods and went to town and bought a ton of jars. So hopefully this was like eventful for you guys. Hope you guys got to saw some things you didn't really know of, and maybe this kind of piqued your interest and got you inspired to maybe go to your local HomeGoods and purchase some jars for your pantry. So that concludes today's video. I will see you guys in the next one.
Running away from the suffering.